Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Porsche Taycan stands as a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation, seamlessly blending high-performance engineering with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. This all-electric sports sedan offers an exhilarating driving experience, luxurious comfort, and advanced features, setting new standards in the electric vehicle market. Design and exterior. The Taycan's design is unmistakably Porsche, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that exudes both elegance and athleticism. Its slow-slung profile, sculpted lines, and pronounced wheel arches not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. Signature elements such as the 4-point LED headlights and an integrated rear light bar further accentuate its modern aesthetics. Performance and powertrain. Underneath its refined exterior, the 2025 Taycan offers a range of powertrain options to cater to diverse driving preferences. Taycan, the base model, features a rear-wheel drive setup, delivering a balanced blend of performance and efficiency. Taycan 4S, equipped with all-wheel drive, the 4S offers enhanced traction and dynamic handling, making it adept at navigating various road conditions. Taycan GTS, positioned between the 4S and Turbo models, the GTS provides a sportier driving experience with increased power output and performance-oriented features. Taycan Turbo, this model elevates performance with higher power output, delivering rapid acceleration and dynamic driving capabilities. Taycan Turbo S, at the pinnacle of the lineup, the Turbo S offers maximum power and acceleration, embodying Porsche's high-performance legacy. Each variant is powered by a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery pack, with the Performance Battery Plus option offering a net capacity of 97 kWh. This advanced battery technology ensures not only impressive acceleration and top speeds but also extended driving ranges suitable for both daily commutes and long-distance journeys. Interior and technology. Stepping inside the Taycan reveals a meticulously crafted interior that harmoniously blends luxury with advanced technology. High-quality materials, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating create an inviting atmosphere for both driver and passengers. The cockpit is dominated by a curved digital instrument cluster, providing the driver with essential information at a glance. A centrally located infotainment touchscreen offers intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while a secondary touch panel manages climate controls and additional functions. For passengers, an optional front display allows them to engage with media and navigation features without distracting the driver. Charging and range. Porsche has equipped the 2025 Taycan with an 800-volt electrical architecture, enabling ultra-fast charging capabilities. Utilizing high-power DC fast chargers, the Taycan can replenish its battery from 10% to 80% in approximately 18 minutes, minimizing downtime during long trips. For home charging, the vehicle supports AC charging solutions, ensuring convenience for daily use. The driving range of the Taycan varies based on the selected model and battery configuration. Advancements in battery technology and energy management systems have resulted in significant improvements, with certain models achieving ranges up to 678 kilometers, approximately 421 miles, on a single charge, as per the Worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicles Test Procedure, WLTP. Pricing. The 2025 Porsche Taycan is available in multiple variants, each offering a unique blend of features and performance. Taycan, the base model, offers an entry point into the Taycan lineup, providing essential features and performance expected from Porsche.